Take the heavy towing equipment out of the truck and get your bed back with the Reese Goose Box. Replacing the traditional pin box on your trailer so you can tow your RV with your truck's small but mighty goose ball, the Reese Goose Box is the next evolution in fifth wheel towing. Travel in comfort with dual shocks and an air ride system, reducing stress between your truck and RV, and tow with confidence knowing that the Goose Box is the only product of its type that doesn't void the warranty on Lippert trailer frames. Featuring a capacity of up to 20,000 pounds, an automatic locking coupler, an easy airbag filling system, convenient onboard safety chain storage, and a lockable coupler. The Reese Goose Box works with the most popular fifth wheel systems on the market, and with an increased height adjustment, installation is fast and easy. Get your bed back and enjoy worry-free towing from a proven performer, the Reese Goose Box.